How to create a custom size for a design in Canva. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how easily it is to create a custom size in Canva. Now, if you're seeing this screen already, you can actually see how to create custom size. So basically, Canva did have a new glow up or a new look, and now it's a little bit different. So here you have the templates that you could choose from, but then you also have this option here, which should say custom size. Now, you may or may not see it in front of you. Most likely you see it exactly like I do. If you don't, I also will show you a way to work around that. But if you see it, you can just go ahead and simply click on it. And then from here, you basically will be able to adjust the width and height and also the units. So here you can just go ahead and set up the width and also the height. And then from the units, it's going to be by default in pixels. This is what most people use. It is, widely used, and you get the idea. But if you want to change it, you can feel free to do so. They do have a few more options. So just go and click on the units section, and you will have inches, millimeters, and also centimeters. So feel free to select whichever one that you are more comfortable with using. And then if you just go ahead and add these numbers, it's just going to be created for you. Now, if you don't see it in here by default for some reason, you can also go to the create a design section on the top left. And if you just go ahead and click on that, it's just going to show you again all the different templates. But lastly here, you have a few options. You have the custom size, upload, and more. And this is pretty much what we are actually looking for, the custom size. Now here again, like I said, you would want to add the width, height, and units. But let's say you want to create a design for a specific social media output, and you don't really know the custom size for it. There's another option for you that is going to be a lot better if you don't, if you're not sure with the numbers that you want to input, which is going to be, again, just clicking on create a new design. And then from here, you should see at the bottom you have more. This more section is actually very useful because if you click on it, you will get a search bar and you will get a lot, and I mean a lot, of templates. For example, if you want it to be something for Facebook, you can just go ahead and go to the top section, click on or type down Facebook, and you will have all the templates that are related to Facebook. You can do a Facebook ad template, cover, there's plenty, fundraisers, posts, profile frame, profile picture. There's a lot, and same goes for the rest of them. For example, Instagram, it's also going to show you the Instagram post size and so on. You can just go ahead and click on it if you want to use it, and it's just going to be created here for you, so you can actually see the size of the canvas. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.